The Apple iPhone SE2 smartphone is credited with the parameters of the iPhone 7 and the design of the iPhone 5. It's no secret that Apple's iPhone SE smartphone turned out to be quite successful. Firstly, in many markets it is the most affordable option among the iPhone. Secondly, many people like compact smartphones, and the iPhone SE is also quite productive. But the iPhone SE appeared last spring, so the successor is already asking for an exit. Of course, there is no official data on this subject. Multiple rumors and leaks that appeared during the year turned out to be false. Apple iPhone SE2 may appear in spring, and once again, sources say that iPhone SE2 will still appear. The exact dates are not called, indicating only the next year. Given that, along with the basic models of autumn, the baby will not be presented exactly, we can assume that the new product will be released again in the spring. While it is expected that the iPhone SE2 will receive the stuffing of the iPhone 7, an unchanged 4-inch screen and all the same design as the current model. Of course, many consider the appearance of the iPhone 5 the best that Apple had, but to exploit the design, invented back in 2012, is already too much.